Take ground beef, salt it, pepper it, add meat spice, roll it up, make a long sausage out of it, cut in the middle, roll it some more, roll it. Okay, make 2 donuts out of it, connect it together, like this. And now connect 2 donuts together. Add butter on hot pan. Cut the bread and make sandwich out of it. Now gently with 2 hands place your infinity meat donut on the hot pan. Like this. Beautiful. Now gently flip it. Add the eggs in the middle. Add mustard on the bread. Add cheese on top. Cover with lid. Cook for 10 seconds, then turn off the heat. Slice tomato. Add tomato on the bread. Slice some onions. Add onions on the sandwich. Wow, look at that, beautiful, tasty and delicious. Separate the egg, add it on top. Alright, service. Beautiful, nutritious sandwich. Now top it up with the bun. Wow, look at this beautiful, tasty, delicious, steamy and nutritious Infinity hamburger cheeseburger sandwich. Like, share and subscribe, my friend. Yes, cut it in half. Beautiful.